Hey everybody, welcome back. This is George, Florida Railroad Dog from the Romanico Railroad. Hope everybody's doing okay. And here's a little bit of an update on the new layout. I completed the city scene. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm working now on the detailing the yard and the round table and the roundhouse. Let's turn this around. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry I've been away for a while, a lot of training and a lot of work. Oh, here she is. Got a lot done in the last couple weeks. I love this new layout. That way I can turn the engines around. High view. And let me show you what we got. We got this siding right here to this factory. Then we got the door factory over here with another siding. Back there we got some buildings. Got the station. Davenport. Look at that big boy there. Got Roman's used cars. And we got some flashing lights here. I love those lights. Just got them. Then on this side, I have George's garage. Emilio's. And the square. Looks really good. I really enjoyed this build. And then we got Bob's house over here. Then you come from the city, take this semi-dirt road, which is going to lead into the Hialeah yard. My control board. Then you got the famous lighted tower for the East Coast. Comes around. Then you have Yard Master's Tower. Built this little shed for my pink lady. And there's the turntable. I still have to detail the turntable and finish that up. Finish that side. And then finish the siding where the railway express is at. Oh, looking down at the boulevard. Like I said before, this building here, that building, this building is hiding all the wiring for all the lights and accessories. I also got these new very nice. Let's run some trains. And that's my big boy that I just got. It's a Rail King, MTH Rail King 4014. It runs really beautiful. I was gonna do an unboxing, but I just haven't had time. And you see Mary there taking a picture of it. Well, there she is, a little bit of an update of what I've been doing. How's it coming out? Let's run some trains. Hey, like always, happy railroading.